Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making our Chipotle beef and cheese baked flautas. This recipe has all of your favorite Mexican flavors rolled up into crispy tortillas and served with a creamy avocado crema sauce. Spiced Chipotle ground beef and cheese fill up the tortillas that are baked until they're crispy. This is a delicious meal served with a big green salad and rice and beans on the side. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and coat a baking sheet with a bit of avocado or olive oil. Next, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 30 seconds, and then add 1 pound of ground beef, and begin breaking it into pieces. If this is your first time at our channel, we will show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Cook the ground beef until it's no longer red, and if there's extra grease, either drain the meat or use a spoon to remove it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of diced chipotle in adobo sauce, and add more or less based on how spicy you and your family like it. As this is cooking, begin warming the tortillas on a skillet or a pan. I like heating up the corn tortillas first on a griddle or a skillet because it makes them more pliable and less likely to break as we're rolling them. Shred about 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese and mix it into the ground beef. These Chipotle ground beef flautas make super easy appetizers, and it's one of the reasons why I love this recipe so much. Because the flautas are oven baked, just triple this recipe to make over 40 delicious flautas all at one time. Now to make the flautas. I roll them right on the baking sheet so there's no chance that they'll come apart or unroll before we put them in the oven. Add about 2 generous tablespoons of the Chipotle beef and cheese filling to the tortilla, spreading it in a line almost in the middle but slightly closer to the side that you'll be rolling first. Fold the tortilla over and tuck it into the filling, then continue rolling the tortilla so the edge ends up on the bottom of the flauta. Slide the flauta right up next to the side of the pan or the next flauta. Brush the tops of the tortillas with avocado oil and bake for about 10 minutes. While they're cooking, get everything else ready. I'm making a quick avocado crema to serve with the flautas. Peel and mash 1 avocado. Mix in 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and salt to taste. After 10 minutes, remove the flautas from the oven and turn them over. Return to the oven and cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden and crispy. We love to serve our baked flautas with sour cream, tomatoes, cilantro, salsa, and this fresh avocado crema. And if you love good homemade Tex Mex, check out our recipe for steak fajitas with a creamy poblano mushroom sauce. There's something special, and I think you're going to love them. I hope you enjoy trying some of our new recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.